All right, cool. I'm here at Complete Spray. I'll give you guys the address once I'm done. I'm here with Jerry. I'm going to pick up some tips, and he's going to talk to me about the differences in tips. So I'm looking to get a 308 FFLP, a 408 FFLP, and then a blue 513. Do they have
that
13
says 12 there?
512, sorry.
All the five finish tips will come in even numbers, so it'd be
Right.
an 8, a 10, a 12. All the regular tips come in odd numbers. So if you're looking for a blue tip, that'd be a 513 would be the closest thing, or a 5.
That's what I need. I wrote 12.
Or a 515 or 517, but they're all odd numbers. That's all.
Okay.
So
Cool.
yeah, we have those in stock. Pingo Mango. We'll take a look here. 308, 408. I'll see what I have.
Yeah. Awesome.
Those are what we call the green tips. So in the green tips, I have a 308 that's on your list.
Cool.
And I don't have a 408.
Okay.
Usually when you go wider, you go a little bit larger hole too.
Yeah,
so
yeah,
this is a
410.
4. Yeah.
Perfect.
So that's it.
Okay,
So,
cool.
So that order's filled in. You've got a 513 blue. And you see this, all these holes, Graco is out of tons and tons of paint of tips. So I do not have, they do not have a 513. So
what about a 413?
I have.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's go with the
And I
413.
assume that you have a blue housing, is that correct?
I do, yeah. And I have the different gaskets.
Right. Something to note for you, if you maybe you know, but if you see the hole in that tip seal right there,
Gotcha.
the size of the hole,
Okay.
well, you need to take a look at the size of the hole to match.
See it. Okay.
It should be large, smaller.
Gotcha.
So that meters the paint going in. It helps you control your low pressure and fine finish.
Got it.
So if you've got a blue housing you've been spraying paint with, you don't want to just take and stick this into blue housing. It'll fit in there just fine.
Right.
But you need to take that seal out and put this seal.
Or else it defeats the purpose behind the low pressure.
And the other defeating the purpose of a bunch of low turn pressure is a low pressure
now,
fine finish.
Now, what if I have this gasket in my housing and I stick the blue tip in there and use that? Well,
Probably nothing if it's a small tip. If it's a larger tip, 621 or something, you're probably not going to get enough paint out.
Gotcha.
To create a nice even spray pattern,
I got you.
you're probably going to have too low a pressure. Because this made for low pressure.
Great.
So that's the story.
Awesome. Well, if you need tips or any other accessories for your Graco sprayers, your tiny sprayers, be sure to check out Complete Spray here in Gilbert. I believe the address is 1420. Is it South? North Hobson Street.
Awesome.
Wonderful.
Not a race, space from my memory.